Any entity, anyone considering business deals with Iran, they need to be aware of the potential risk that they are opening themselves up to and the potential risk of sanctions.
The United States has issued a warning to nations considering business deals with Iran, saying they run the potential risk of sanctions. This development comes hours after India signed an agreement to operate the Chabahar port in Iran for 10 years. Chabahar is a deep-water port in Iran's Sistan-Baluchistan province. It is the Iranian port which is the closest to India. It is also located in the open sea, which provides easy and secure access for large cargo ships. India's involvement in developing Chabahar began in 2002. The following year, during then-Iranian President Syed Mohammad Khatami's visit to India, a roadmap for strategic cooperation was signed with then-Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. One of the key projects was Chabahar. But as India grew closer to the United States during George W. Bush's presidency, the Chabahar port became a casualty. The US declared Iran as one of the axis of evil and pushed New Delhi to abandon its strategic relationship with Tehran. Things only progressed after 2015 when then Afghanistan President Ashraf Ghani visited India. Ghani and Prime Minister Narendra Modi agreed to work closely with Iran to make the port project a reality and to develop it as a viable gateway for Afghanistan and Central Asia. Modi visited Iran the following year. India managed to get a waiver from the US for the Chabahar project, citing access to Afghanistan as a reason. But what motivated New Delhi was the necessity to counter Chinese President Xi Jinping's ambitious Belt and Road Initiative for massive infrastructure development across large parts of Asia and Africa. In 2002, Pakistan and China signed a deal to build the deep-sea water port at Gwadar. Chabahar's strategic location to the Gulf of Oman at the mouth of the Strait of Hormuz is what sets it apart. Lying to the west of Iran's border with Pakistan and close to the competing port of Gwadar, Chabahar is extremely attractive for India. The port serves as a crucial connectivity link for India to Afghanistan, Central Asia and the broader Eurasian region, countering Pakistan's Gwadar port and China's Belt and Road Initiative. Positioned as a hub for transit between India, Iran and Afghanistan, it offers an alternative route to the traditional Silk Road through China. The Chabahar port is also seen as a gateway for unlocking India's trade potential with European countries, as it provides a shorter route to the continent. New Delhi and Tehran coming together could prove to be a counterweight to China and Pakistan's all-weather friendship, and Chabahar is instrumental to this.